Hey yogis, happy 2018. Hope the year is starting off fantastic for you. I want to talk today about golden milk. I did a few social media posts this week because after the first of the year, I've started to make and drink golden milk each day, and there's been a lot of interest. So a friend of mine gave me the spice mix for golden milk, and it's cold and flu season, and it's a really good time to integrate this ancient Ayurvedic drink into your diet. So let's talk about what it is. First of all, it is an ancient Ayurvedic recipe, and what makes golden milk, which I'm literally drinking right now as I'm filming, what makes it bright yellow or golden is turmeric. So golden milk is a milk, a fat, some kind of sweetener if you choose, and a combination of spices. So turmeric, we now know so much about because it's been really studied quite a bit in the last few years, and a lot of positive information is coming out. It's been a part of Asian culture, Asian diet for thousands of years. Think curry, from India, Ayurveda, and other Asian countries. And again, it's the turmeric that makes the curry bright yellow. So this has been a staple of many diets for thousands of years. And as we've studied it, we've come to find out that it's an anti-inflammatory. And a lot of autoimmune diseases are actually linked to inflammation in the body. So anytime there's inflammation in the body, there's too much heat. Think of any disease or illness that has an itis on it, like sinusitis or colonitis. Itis means inflammation. So turmeric is a really, really, really good natural spice for reducing inflammation. So that's one of the key ingredients. The other spices that are in golden milk, and if you Google recipes for golden milk, you'll see a huge array of combinations. Just like making a curry, there's a bunch of different recipes. But what's key to the other spices is that they're all warming digestive spices. So cinnamon, nutmeg, coriander, black pepper, star anise, think anything warming, cardamom. Those spices, or a combination thereof, are a part of golden milk. So in Ayurveda, those spices are said to stimulate Agni, which is our digestive fire, our metabolic fire. They gently stimulate digestion, and good digestion is the key to health. Being able to take in our food and actually turn it into usable, positive energy, prana. So all of these spices that are a part of golden milk stimulate and support healthy digestion, the very center of our immune system. So in addition to the spices, you have a milk and a fat. Now traditionally from Ayurveda, the milk is regular cow's milk. And in particular, raw cow's milk is said to have the most nutrients. So there's something according to Ayurveda called ojas, and it's related to the kapha dosha. If you know anything about Ayurveda, kapha dosha is a combination of earth and water. So kapha dosha and ojas in particular is related to our vitality and our immune system. So, think about people that are predominant with kapha dosha. They've got great endurance. They're stable. They're solid. There are those people that could go all day without eating because they have good reserves. So we want healthy ojas. We want vitality and strong immunity. And raw milk, according to the yogic and Ayurvedic texts, is ojas building. It contains a lot of vital nutrients. So that's one piece. Now, that being said, if you happen to be vegan or don't tolerate milk, you can make golden milk with alternative milks, non-dairy, almond milk, coconut milk, soy, rice, whatever you like to use. And then the last key ingredient is a good fat. Now, again, coming from the ancient system of Ayurveda, ghee is the recommended fat. It's sattvic, which means it's pure and clear and luminous. It's helpful to the digestive system, and it is also ojas building. It's another one of those food sources that's really packed with all the good stuff we want that builds our vitality and immunity. So literally that's what I'm drinking right now. I sought out some raw milk, which is hard to find. Most of the major grocery stores won't carry it. It's not pasteurized, therefore all that good stuff hasn't been destroyed, and some stores won't carry it. So you may have to source it out if you choose to. You don't have to, but I did that this week to really build my ojas. So this combination, the good fat, the milk, the digestive spices, the turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory, all of this supports our immune system. So with all the colds and flus going around right now, this is a fantastic drink to add to your diet. Again, if you don't want to go with dairy or you want to make it vegan, then instead of the ghee, try coconut oil as your fat, and instead of the milk, use an alternative. Now the last thing is a sweetener. If you have a lot of vata in your system, in your constitution, then a little sweetener is a really good thing, and for pittas too. So sweeten it how you choose. Sugars that are more full of ojas, honey, maple syrup, dates. That would be really ideal, but you could use other sweeteners as well. You could even use stevia if you wanted a little bit of the taste of sweet without the actual sugar. So here's to golden milk. So fantastic. I've been having it in the mornings as a breakfast replacement and then a very early lunch. But before bedtime, amazing. In the afternoon as a snack, amazing. So here's to golden milk. Namaste, yogis. Let's be strong and vital and healthy in the cold and flu season.